everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Blue Puppy Pizza 5. My name is Olive Peoples, and this is the second episode of my channel, and today the video is going to be about makeup application. I just wanted to make this episode for anybody who might feel uncomfortable with makeup application, like maybe they have never worn makeup before. They're like, oh, my first time's gonna be so uncomfortable and like I'm really nervous about it. Maybe I'm the only person who's never worn makeup, and I just want to say there are plenty of other people out there who have not worn makeup. Unfortunately, I'm not one of those people. I have worn makeup once before, so I want to make other young women who are not as experienced with makeup application feel comfortable. And maybe another reason like that you want to start wearing makeup is, like, for example, like you want to impress a guy. Like maybe like your friend suggested to you that you should wear makeup more often, and you were like, oh, why should I do that? And your friends were like, oh, well, like, you know, the guy in your physics class that you've been liking for 3 years is finally sitting near you, but he likes the girls who sits next to you, and like maybe if you wear makeup like she wears makeup, like you could, like, you know, get his attention and be like, oh, like I wear makeup too. And you were like, great idea, hopefully he'll notice me now. Anywho, so yeah, so like let's get started with the process. Obviously I can't wear my glasses, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. The makeup I have today has been donated by my aunt. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna put on some foundation. Just gonna go for the makeup. Okay, cool. And we're just gonna like start like going like this. Wow, that's like really cool. That's cool. Okay, it's called Quick Liner. Oh wow, this side. And then we just do like that. Make it like a little longer. Let's do like a little bit of stuff on my eyebrows. I think this is like a brush that we use. Next thing is rub on blush. So like we just rub it on like right where it's no problem if this happens. When you do the other side, you just want to do like a lighter, like, okay, you want to like make sure it's even on both sides. Oh, it comes off of you. Oh, I see now. Wipe that around. And like, it's okay, like if it doesn't look exactly like you want it to, because more makeup is always better. My friend has a lot of eyeshadow, and I like a really classy look, so I'm gonna go for bright blue. I just want to rub on your eyes. Just keep rubbing. You can do like another layer like on top. Well, I'm just gonna, honestly, it's for the best if you don't even wear eyeshadow. Now we're gonna do a highlighter. You want to think about the areas of your face that you want to highlight when you put this on. So like I want to highlight my jawline. I also really like the best part of the whole thing. We're going to pick out a lipstick. This is a really pretty pink color. So I just want everyone to know that lipstick does come off, and so like if you mess up, it's no problem. Okay, it's no problem. That's better. Okay, everybody, so this is my makeup look. I just want to encourage everybody that, you know, if your look doesn't turn out exactly like you wanted it to, you can try again next time, and you know, you're gonna get better the more that you practice. Everybody learned a lot from my video.